Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oni Best. Guys, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing okay. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always checking on me. I really appreciate. Okay. And for the new subscribers, thank you for coming. Okay. In this particular video, we'll be treating Entrando in un centro abitato. So entering a city. So if you're just joining us in this video, that means you've missed a lot of our old videos. So I would advise you to go back and watch those old videos, okay? So you will know where we are coming from and where we are heading to. Thank you very much for being a part of this family. I love you and God loves you the most. Please do it to share my video, very important, so that other blacks can see, okay? It will be of help to somebody out there, okay? Please, I always say, do it to share this video. Let others be a partaker of it too. Okay, if you have done that, let's get started. Okay, today we'll be dealing on entrando in un centro abitato. Okay, so entering a city. This is a city. Let's get started. Entrando in un centro abitato, bisogna, these are the things you need to do when you're entering the city. Tenere conto che puoi cambiare spesso la precedenza all'incrocio. Now, you should take into consideration, you should take into account, you put it into account that when you get into the centro abitato, you can change precedence on the junction. So, for instance, when you approach junction number 1, let us assume that in junction number 1, you're the one that has right of way. Now you get right of way. Now, take into consideration, say when you dey approach junction number 2, you fit no get right of way, make another person get right of way. That's what it's trying to tell you. You should always remember that in every junction, there might be a change of right of way for you and other users of the road. Tenere conto che il flusso della circolazione viene spesso intralciato o interrotto da veicoli che sono fermi, ok? Che partono, che cambiano direzione. Now, if you take into consideration, okay, that the flow of the circulation, the flow of vehicles going and coming, okay, can be interrupted with vehicles that wants to come to a stop, with vehicles that want to come out from a parking lot, okay, and with vehicles that want to change direction. All this can interrupt the movement of vehicles. You should take into consideration vehicle wey stop, wey wan come out for the road, wey wan enter the circulation. You should take into consideration such a thing can occur. You should also take into consideration say vehicle wey dey in front of you feel like to change direction, go left or go right. So that's why you have to be driving with caution. Then number 3. Tiene conto che gli altri utenti della strada, quali pedoni e ciclisti, si mescolano maggiormente con il traffico motorizzato. Now, you say you should take into consideration, you should take into account that other users of the road, like those wey dey waka, pedoni, e ciclisti, those that is using bicycle, they can mix highly with the traffic. Just as seen in this picture, you see person dey waka here, you see cars, you see person dey bicycle. So the traffic fit dey mix, highly mixed. So you should take into consideration all these things while you're driving. Okay, guys. It says, essere più utenti, you must be more attentive, prudenti e tolleranti a causa del maggior numero di utenti che interagiscono nell'ambiente urbano. Now, I say you should be more attentive and you should be tolerant, you should be patient, okay, because of the high number of users that is being mixed in urbano, which is the city, the environment of the city. Because of those users, people they use bicycle, people they walk car, the thing is mixed. Then you should be prudent, you should be tolerant, no rush. You should be attentive because suddenly somebody will just run enter road. So you should be attentive at all times when you're driving in the environment of your city. Continuare a maintenere la concentrazione. Continue to maintain your concentration, ok? Alla guida. Anche se potrebbero aumentare i motivi per distrarsi. Now, what it's trying to tell you is that when you're driving, you have to maintain a highly concentration. Maintain your concentration no matter the distraction of the road, because of course, the distraction on the road, it must see and it must come. So that's why it's telling you that even if the distraction come too much, you must still maintain your concentration as a driver. As a driver, if you're driving, even if the motive of distraction, even the distraction, different ways of distraction is coming, from people that walk out, from people they ride by, for people they suddenly cross the road, maybe your phone begin ring, and all that things, video and all that, any kind of distraction at all, still pay concentration on what you're doing. Okay, there are so many things that can distract you at that moment. It might be from your phone, okay, it might be from the radio, it might be from so many things, maybe a text message, or let me just quickly use my phone and do something. No, you just have to pay concentration. That's why I brought out this picture. So many things that can cause distraction. Okay, when you're taking a handheld phone or hands-free phone, when you're listening to a radio or an audiobook, if you are using a voice-activated texting or email feature, all these cause distraction, thereby leading to accidents. Now, if it not really come from you, if it come from the road, other road users, so many distractions, but at the end of the day, what they ask you to do is to pay more concentration, guys. So, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please share my video. Please, if you're not subscribed, if you just see my video, yeah, we are posting back to back, trying to make this thing easier for everyone. Okay, so it will be of great importance and a good one for me too, because I wouldn't lie. Like, you subscribing is a plus to me, and it's also a plus to you. Yeah, it's also a plus to you. So please do it to subscribe if you have not. Like my video, and of course, share to your family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye.